See this problem. A, B and C were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. On 31st March 2010, their balance sheet was as follows. Balance sheet is given there. See the balance sheet. And after the balance sheet, they told that the firm was dissolved on 31st March 2010 and assets realized as follows. First adjustment, joint life policy was taken over by Mr. A at rupees 5,000. Second adjustment, stock realized rupees 18,000, debtors realized rupees 14,500 and plant and machinery was sold for rupees 36,000. It means amount realized from plant and machinery is rupees 36,000. Third adjustment, liabilities were paid in full. In addition, one bill for rupees 700 under discount was dishonored and had to be taken up by the firm. Fourth adjustment, there were no realization expenses, so there will not be any entry for realization expenses. They told us that give the journal entries and necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. Okay, so let's start. In this problem of partner A, B and C, they have told us to prepare realization account, partner's capital account and bank account. In the problem, in liabilities side, they have given us A's loan account. A is a partner in the business. So I have prepared A's loan account here. Now let's start. First we have to make transferring of items from the balance sheet. See the problem, liability side. Capitals are given. I will transfer these capitals in capital account credit side. So by balance brought down, capitals are given 20,000, 16,000 and 8,000. So 20,000, 16,000 and 8,000. In liability side, they have given us reserve fund rupees 12,000. The profit sharing ratio of the partners is 3:2:1. So the reserve fund amount, that is rupees 12,000, we have to distribute between the partners in that ratio and transfer to credit side of capital account. So by reserve fund 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Total is 12,000. We have distributed that amount in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. Okay. Then the other items from balance sheet. A's loan account rupees 10,000. So we will transfer the balance to loan account by balance brought down. A's loan account is given rupees 10,000. So 10,000. Now the remaining liabilities, sundry creditors and bills payable. These are external liabilities and we have to transfer the external liabilities in credit side of realization account. So by sundry creditors and by bills payable. By bills payable, amounts are 15,400 and 3,600. Now the asset side. See the asset side of the balance sheet. Cash at bank rupees 3,500. So we will write down the bank balance. To balance brought down 3,500. Then other assets, stock, debtors, joint life policy and plant and machinery. So debit side of realization account, to stock, to debtors. Stock amount is given rupees 19,800 Debtors amount is given in inner column, that is rupees 15,000, and we have to write down RDD in credit side of realization account. So by RDD, that is provision for bad and doubtful debts, amount is given rupees 1,000. And then the other asset, joint life policy and plant and machinery. So to joint life policy and to plant and machinery. Joint life policy is given rupees 4,000 and amount of plant and machinery is rupees 43,700. So we have completed the posting of items from the balance sheet. Now we will solve all the adjustments one by one. See the first adjustment. The firm was dissolved on 31st March 2010 and assets realized as follows. First adjustment. Joint life policy was taken over by Mr. A at rupees 5,000. Joint life policy, this asset is taken over by Mr. A. So the entry will be in credit side of realization account by A's capital account. Joint life policy taken over. Amount is rupees 5,000. Let's make the second posting. Credit side of realization account, capital account, means debit side of capital account to realization account. In A's column rupees 5,000 and dash in other partners column. Next adjustment. Stock realized rupees 18,000 and debtors realized rupees 14,500. Plant and machinery was sold for rupees 36,000. It means realization amounts of stock, debtors and plant and machinery are given here. So we will pass entry of assets realized. Credit side of realization account by bank account into bracket assets realized. Stock, debtors and plant and machinery. We will write down the amounts in inner column. Stock 18,000, debtors 14,500 and plant and machinery 36,000. Make the total. It will be 68,500. It is correct. Let's make the second posting. Credit side of realization account, bank account, means debit side of bank account to realization account. 68,500. Okay. Then the next adjustment. Liabilities were paid in full. In addition, one bill for rupees 700 under discount was discounted and had to be taken up by the firm. So we have to pay sundry creditors, which is our external liability, bills payable, and additional liability created by bills receivable dishonored, that is rupees 700. So payment of liabilities, we have to enter here to bank account. Liabilities paid will be the narration. We will write down the list. Sundry creditors, then bills payable and contingent liability, that is BR dishonored. Contingent liability. Sundry creditors 15,400, as amount is not given, the book value, that is 15,400. Bills payable 3,600 and contingent liability is of rupees 700. Total amount in outer column 18,700. Make the second posting. Debit side of realization account to bank account means credit side of bank account by realization account. Rupees 18,700. Sorry, it should be 19,700. My mistake. 19,700. Okay. Now the next adjustment. There were no realization expenses. So we don't need to pass any entry. Let us tally the problem. First, realization account. Debit total of realization account is 1,02,200 and credit total is 93,500. So 1,02,200, 1,02,200. We will deduct credit total of rupees 93,500 from this amount, and the balance will be rupees 8,700, which will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So by partners capital account, this is loss in realization, will be distributed between A, B and C in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. While distributing this amount, we have to divide 8,700 by total of 3:2:1, that is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. The division will be 1,450. 1,450 into 3, that is 4,350 to A. 1,450 into 2, that is 2,900 to B. And 1,450 into 1, that is 1,450 to Mr. C. Okay. Make the second posting. Credit side of realization account, partners capital account means debit side of capital account to realization account. 4,350, 2,900 and 1,450, that is 1,450. Now we have to pay Mr. A's loan. So to bank account, loan paid rupees 10,000. Even though no adjustment is given regarding this payment, we have to pay as it is our liability. So total of A's loan will be 10,000 and A's loan account is closed. Now the second posting of this account. Debit side of A's loan account to bank account means credit side of bank account by A's loan account. So by A's loan account, amount is rupees 10,000. Okay. Now we have to tally partners capital account. So let us tally partners capital account. Total of credit side of Mr. A is 26,000 and debit total is 9,350. So credit total 26,000. 26,000. We will deduct debit total from 26,000 and the balance will be 16,650. Then the next partner, credit total is 20,000, debit total is 2,900. So 20,000, 20,000. Deduct rupees 2,900 from 20,000 and the answer will be 17,100. Now the third partner, credit total is 10,000, debit total is 1450. So deduct 1450 from rupees 10,000 and difference will be 8,550. And we have to give heading to bank account, that is heading of next account. This will be the final settlement. time of dissolution. It means credit balances of A, B and C are more in the business. So after deducting debit balances, the business should give them back these amounts. Okay. Now second posting of this entry. Debit side of capital account to bank account is credit side of bank account by A's capital account 16,650 by B's capital account 17,100 and by C's capital account 8,550. Okay. Now let's make the total of bank account. Our bank account should tally if our solution is correct. Debit total is 16,500 plus 3,500, that is 72,000. So 72,000, and credit total is 72,000. So our problem is tallied. We have to pass the journal entries now. First entry will be of reserve fund transferred. Reserve fund account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account. This will be the entry. Then the second entry is of liabilities transferred. This will be the second entry. Sundry creditors account debit, bills payable account debit to realization account, liabilities transferred to realization account. Then we have transferred all the assets in debit side of realization account. This will be the third entry, and transferring RDD, this will be the fourth entry. This entry will be realization account debit to stock, to debtors, to plant, joint lock policy and to plant and machinery. And about this entry will be RDD, that is provision for doubtful debts account debit to realization account. Okay. Next entry. Now the first adjustment, A has taken over joint leg policy. This will be the fifth entry. A's capital account debit to realization account, joint leg policy taken over. Then the entry of assets realized, sixth. Bank account debit to realization account, assets realized, rupees 68,500. Then the payment of liabilities, this will be the seventh entry. Realization account debit to bank account, being the liabilities paid, amount will be 19,700. Then we have paid A's loan, so this will be the eighth entry. A's loan account debit to bank account, being the loan paid. Then we have tallied realization account, so this will be the ninth entry. A's capital account debit 4350, B's capital account debit 2,900, C's capital account debit 1,450 to realization account 8,700, being the realization loss distributed between the partners. And now the last entry will be of final settlement. This will be the entry, 10th entry. So the entry will be A's capital account debit 16,650, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to bank account, being the payment made to the partners. This will be the last journal entry. Okay. So you have to pass journal entries on your own. That's all for today.